Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial session of assembly drawing under computer aided machine drawing subject. This is Satisha Kumar K, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. Today I'll show you third assembly of the subject, that is machine wise. This is the complete assembly view of machine wise in coming slides or coming videos. You can observe the different parts of the machine wise and its detailed dimensions. Details of machinery parts. Total, it consists of 9 parts, starting from body of vise, movable jaw, jaw grip, screw rod, washer, nut, lock nut, and clamping plate. The first one is body of vise. That first front view, top view, and cross section side view. The A cross section side view, and the second one is also the front view, side view, and top view. The third part is jaw, grip, and fourth one is screw, and fifth one is rod, screw rod, top view, and sixth one washer, and ninth and seventh and eighth is washer, and ninth one is plate, clamping plate. Till now I'll show part modeling of first part. The first part, the front view, that total length is given 230. If you deduct 5 mm from each side, the total length should be 220. Height 85, next 40 minus 5, 35, then downward direction 25 mm you have to draw, then once again horizontally 5 mm, then downward direction, that one you can get 85 minus 25 minus 27 and 30, then get 3 mm you can get downward. Next, then horizontally 180 mm you have to draw, then 57 mm downward direction you draw. Let us solve this one with the help of SolidEdge software. SolidEdge command, that protrusion, you want to select front plane, then take line. First you have to draw one simple line, then with the help of connect command connect it to center point of the line, then connect it to the plane. Then smart dimension with distance is 220, then end of the line from here 85 mm you have to draw, then split sheet, and horizontally 35 mm you have to draw, then downward direction 25, then 5 mm you have to draw, then downward direction 3 mm you have to draw, then 180 mm you have to draw horizontally in leftward direction, then you want to join. The profile is, first profile is finished here. Go to the fillet, that small fillet radius is given in drawing, given R10. Like that R10 you can get. Now you have to show these small dimensions, all details dimensions you have to show. C57, that one is 25, and that one is 3 mm. Then from here it is 35, then radius or fillet radius is 10, and fit sheet. Then now you have to click on return. Return how much distance you have to go to symmetric. Now you have to give the distance, how much width, that one you can get here. The 100 mm is given, 100 mm, that is the width of that part. 100 mm symmetrically, 100 mm you have to give, enter, then finish. Now you have to make slot. The center slot you have to make. For that you have to go to cross sectional side view. In the cross sectional side you can see 60 mm, 52 and 10 mm height and 13 mm height. You can see that profile you have to draw. Go to cutouts command, cut out the drawing like this and select that plane you want to select. Then in that plane you have to draw the line with the help of line command. First you have to draw one horizontal line, then go to connect command, connect the center line, then with the plane, then go to small dimension. Here you have to give 60 mm, you have to give 60. Then height you have to give 10 mm height you have to give, first 10 mm. Then horizontally is half of 60 is 30, 30 minus half of 52 is 26, can get 4 mm, and vertically 3 mm. Then once again horizontally 26 minus 20, you can get 6 mm, you can get. Then draw the line like this up to that line, then draw on horizontal line up to center line, center vertical plane. Then using mirror command you have to mirror that profile into opposites by clicking the vertical plane, then right click. Now go to collinear, like this, already collinear, that plane, that one you have to clone, that one already collinear. Now go to extend to next, extend the line, then you have to connect that lines and then you have to connect it like this. Then some error will occur and I delete that one. And then with the help of line command I'll join the lines like this and return. Now you have to give the distance, how much distance you have to give, that one you can get here. The total length is 220, 220 minus 40, then minus 15 you have to give. You can get something distance, you can get even here 220 minus 50 minus 40 you have to give, you can get 165, you can get. That is the cutout. Now in that plane you have to make fillet radius of 3 mm you can give. They didn't mention, normally you can take 3 mm is the fillet radius. Further select the edges, give 3 mm, enter like this, click, enter, click, enter, click, enter. That completes that fillet part. Now we have to make next part of next drawing in same first part, and one is the extra butterfly like structure you have to draw. For that total length is that 120, width and height is 180. If you deduct you can get 90. From that if you minus the half of 100 is 50, so you can get 40 mm height you can get. First protrusion command, select bottom surface, not that one, you can draw that one in that position also for easiness. Rotate like this, select that plane, you can get view like this. Now with the help of pen, you have to bring it to slightly upward direction. Now with the help of line command, first you have to draw the line, then using connect command, connect the lines, center line, then that vertical plane. Like this, you have to connect it. Then small dimension, here length you have to give 120 mm. Then with the help of line command, simply you have to draw the profile like this. Then from downward direction 13 mm length you have to give. Okay. Now with the help of small dimension, we will give the dimension. The distance between from here to here distance should be 40 mm. Give that to 40 mm. Then with the help of fillet, give the small fillet radius is 13 mm. That is already given in drawing. 13 mm fillet radius you have to give. 13. Then enter. Now the distance, small distance, that should be 13 mm. And using mirror command, mirror that portion. By clicking the vertical plane, you can get mirror in opposite side. Now we will go to tangent arc. Draw the tangent arc. Like this tangent arc you have to draw. Now using small dimension, to give the dimension, it should be 8 mm. Should be 8 mm. 8 mm radius you have to give. Then the center, by moving that center to that curve center should be 40 mm. That is the R13. Then connect that lines. Then return. While returning, how much height you have to give? That one is you have to can get in drawing. That is about 20 mm height you have to give. Distance is 20 mm you have to give. Okay, now in the drawing, small that horseshoe shape you have to draw. For that, let's say the protrusion command only. For shoe thickness is 3 mm. Only 20 mm we have already drawn. Remaining is 3 mm. That radius is R8 and R13 is very essential here. Select protrusion. Select that surface. That surface you have to select. Zoom that portion. Well, then go to include. Select the click OK. Then select that line, that curve surface, tight line, and then two horizontal lines like that you have to select. Then go to offset command. Here distance you have to give. If it is 8 mm radius, one more is R13. 13 minus 8, that gives you 5 mm distance. Then single, select the lines individually like this, and right click. Then you want to move the cursor outer direction. The offset is over. Then go to trim command. Trim the extra lines like this. You have to trim it. Then return. You have to give the projection is 3 mm. Height is 3 mm. You have to give. Now same that butterfly structure, and along the horseshoe you have to make it into another side. For that you have to go to that small fillet you can do here. The dimension you can do R3 mm. Now you have to go to mirror. Same butterfly you have to make it to opposite side. So first you click on mirror and select protrusion 2, protrusion 3 and round. Then smart you have to click, and the right mark you have to click. Then you have to select the front front plane you have to select. You can see the that butterfly structure opposite to opposite isometric view. Now next part, that small extra projection of circle, 32 mm diameter circle you draw. Distance is 5 mm each side. Diameter is 32. For that protrusion you have to select one that surface. Then with the help of the height is 30 mm. So circle you have to draw of diameter 32 you have to draw. 32 mm diameter circle you have to draw. The distance Distance from that one is from bottom to center of the circle is 30 mm. Now return, you have to give the projection is distance is 5 mm. Then 5 mm distance you have to give. Then small fillet you have to do. For radius is R5. Radius is 5 you have to give like this. Now same part you have to do it in opposite side also, another end of the body also. For that you are using mirror command, and that portion you have to do mirror command. Select that protrusion 6 and round 6 smart and select that plane like this. You have to mirror it to opposite side. Now you have to make hole. One side is diameter is 12 mm, another side is 20 mm diameter hole you have to make. For that cutout command I am using cutout command. Select that surface with the help of line circle command. Draw the circle, click on center. The circle diameter is 20, small dimension 20 mm, then return. Move the cursor in our direction, you can get hole. Once again cutout, select that surface and the surface, here draw the circle of diameter 12 mm and small dimension 12 mm, then return. Move the cursor in our direction only up to that portion. Like that you can slot you can get or hole you can get. Now you have to make oil holes of diameter 3. One side is 20 mm distance and the one side is 10 mm distance. Same oil holes you have to make of diameter 3. Select that, click on hole command, then select that upper surface and go to countersink diameter 3 mm you have to select. It will countersink exactly twice of that one, 6 mm. Countersink angle is 90 degree and to next. Now move the cursor at the center point, then move the cursor like this, click on here. Then give the distances from the right side end is should be 20 mm like this. Then return. Move the cursor in our direction, click. That finishes the eye hole of one end. Now once again click on hole command, and the side also you want to make oil hole of diameter 3 mm, distance of 10 mm. Hole command you are select that upper surface, then go to hole option, that countersink diameter you have to give 3 mm, countersink diameter 6 mm, angle 90. Okay, you have to move the cursor like this except from the center point to left direction, then you give the distance between from that position should be 10 mm. Return. Move the cursor in our direction. That finishes the 2 oil holes in upper portions. Now you have to make 2 oil holes of diameter 5, depth 13 and tap M6 depth 10. That 2 holes you have to make, which each hole's distance is 60 mm. For that also you have to use hole command. Select that surface, then using hole option, here you have to give some threaded hole. You have to make threaded hole, click on that one. Diameter threaded hole, diameter should be how much? You can see M6 or diameter 5. I take M6, the matrix 6 mm diameter, 6 mm, and finite extent in that portion you have to take distance 10 mm. Here hole depth you have to go 13 mm. Last, then V bottom you have to click, then you have to place these holes like this on that point, extra same line you have to make another, you have to keep the another hole. With the help of distance between command, select the two centers. It should be 60 mm, give the 60 like this. Then distance from the center plane midpoint, it should be 30 instead of 29, 30. Now one more is horizontal distance from center to that line, it should be 12.5. Okay, now click on return, move the cursor in no direction. Okay, that finishes the first part of the machine wise body. To save it, okay. Make a suitable folder, name the folder as machine wise in any drive. Say it in folder name machine wise, that wise body. Second part of the machine wise, that one is movable jaw. That in the front view, side view and top view. The bottom and the no space is present, so that top view is put it in then that place. Height is 45, then for 50. First we will draw that profile. Click on solid edge in that protrusion and select front plane. You have to select. In that you are first, with the help of rectangle, draw one simple rectangle or square shape you have to draw. Then with the help of, first you have to connect it with the help of connect command, connect it like this. Then with the help of smart dimension, with the smart dimension, that should be 40, sorry 45 instead of 40, 45 what to give. Then that dimension you have to give 50. Then go to return, the width you have to give symmetric, the width should be 40 mm. 40 mm. Okay, now top portion, the top portion you have to draw. Then 3 mm height, then horizontal 5 mm, then upward direction 25, then horizontal 35 mm. Once again downward direction is 35 plus 3 28, 25 plus 3 28 minus 10, you can get that dimension. Then horizontally 10 mm. The distance is 35, 50 minus 35 minus 5, you can get 10 mm. Then downward 10, like that profile you have to draw. See protrusion, select front plane only. In that plane, first you have to select include, okay, select that line. Then with the help of line command, end of the extreme right end, click start the straight line 3 mm, then horizontal 5 mm, upward direction 25 mm, then horizontally 35 mm, then downward direction you have to give 28 minus 10. Then horizontally you have to give 10 mm. That is the 35 plus 5, 40, 50 minus 40. Downward direction 10. Like this profile you have to make. Then the fillets you have to make. R10 and R3 fillet you have to make with the help of fillet command. The fillet command, fillet, click that two lines with the radius is 10. Another 3 mm. The radius is 3 mm. That complete the profile of that picture. Then click on return. Smart dimension, you can see the all dimension correct perfectly or not. 3 and the 3 mm. Then for distance fillet radius R10 and R3. The distance between 50 or more is 35. Then return. The return distance symmetric extension, that should be 100 mm. That one you have to given in that drawing inside you. 100 mm distance you have to give. Then click on finish. Now you have to make two holes of diameter 5, deep 13 and tap M6, deep 10. That one you have to make. Procedure is similar to first part. First part, how we made M6 deep 10 two holes of distance 60 mm. First click on hole, select that face, then go to tapered distance diameter you have to give 3, 6 mm you have to give, final section 10 and 13, then V bottom 118, OK. Then you have to click the two circles like this. Same line should be like this. Two circles you draw, two whole circles. Then with the help of distance between from it should be 15.5. Okay, next distance between one circle to another circle should be 60. Then one circle center to vertical plane, it should be half of 60, 30 mm. Then return, move the cursor in no direction. Now go to hole, square thread 20 into 2. That hole should be center should be from top to 27 mm distance. Go to hole command, select that face, hole option, in that threaded diameter you have to give 20. And here square thread, select final extent, can give 40 mm, 45 you can give, or directly can go to next extent also you can give. Then click on the holes circle in that vertical plane, then with the help of small distance between from that to that distance should be 27. Should be 27. Okay, then return. Throat hole you can get like this. Now another two holes you have to make, two holes of diameter 5, deep 13 and tap M6, deep 10. Two holes of distance here 24. That hole command, let's select bottom surface like this, hole option, threaded, here you also you have to go 6 mm, M6, distance 10, here 13, hole depth, V bottom, OK. Draw two circles in vertical plane like this. Click here, one circle here, and the circle here. Now go to distance between from that to that circle, two circle distance should be 24. One circle to another circle horizontal plane, it should be half of that one, 12 mm. Then center of the circle to left end, center to left end distance should be half of 50, 25. Then return, move the cursor upward direction. That completes the second part of the machine wise part modeling. That is the movable job. Save it in desired folder, keep the respective name.